Almost dropped my camera, nigga. Anyway, y'all, what I was trying to say before, I almost fucked up my life. This is my sixth attempt. My sixth attempt at trying to vlog. You feel me? I tried 6 times before this. I just got busy. I wasn't able to record too. Oh, let me turn this way because, you know, the sunlight. Wasn't able to record because I was just too busy. My days have been very jam-packed. Not only that, last video I posted was probably roughly 3 weeks ago on YouTube. Man, life been punching from like 4 weeks ago. You feel me? And I was trying to roll through the punches and be consistent on the tube. But then that shit said, boom! Put me on my ass. You feel me? I had to sit on the bench for a little bit. But we here right now. I'm low-key in a rushing mood because me and Leeks is about to go have a little workout, play some ball and shit. You feel me? And it's like, what time is it right now? It's not early, but it's 9:32. You feel me? Not early at all. Well, not early for me because me and Leeks usually wake up like 7, 6 o'clock, so it's not that bad. But 9:30, feel me? It's a Sunday. We about to go get that out. We about to play ball for like a good while too because I want to get like a good, decent workout in. And yeah, today, the 6 times I was trying to record before, I was like, yeah, guys, it's gonna be a chill day. I'm gonna take y'all with me and we're just gonna record. But shit got too packed and it wasn't fucking chill at all. Shit was kind of hectic. So you feel me? So today though, besides us working out and playing ball or whatever, it should be a chill day. I should pick up the camera. I don't really record too much inside the parks anymore because there be other people around and I don't want to really record other people. But if it's dead, I try to get a few little footage of me and Leeks shooting up some shots, putting some shots up and shit. And yeah, after that we're gonna come back home, make some food, and that'll be the day. Yeah, I see y'all niggas when we get to the park, man. There's mad shit going on right now, so excuse me. It's lit! My face, but me and Leeks just ran like at least 3 games back to back. All my stabilizer just broke. I popped off, it ain't break. Leeks won how much? Leeks won 1, I won 2. Oh, no, we only got 2.
Played 2.
She won 1 and I won 1. My fault, y'all. The shit felt like 3 games.
We were doing drills and stuff at the beginning and stuff like that. We was running already.
Yeah, we doing some drills. We did a layup line and then we did some jump shots and then we just played 2 games. She won the first one. Like, all right, Leeks. For me, Leeks is getting better. Not only the offense and she getting more comfortable, the defense is getting there. Like, she can really stay there or at least bother me now. Now it ain't so easy to blow past. So now it's getting to like a defensive drill for me when we play one-on-one. Like, now I could work on different moves. You feel me? Open my shot up. It was a fun game, you feel me? Probably gonna play a couple more because we're gonna spend the day here. It's like, what time we left the crib? Last clip I made was probably like 9 something. We had left the crib probably like 10, got here like 10:40. So we've been here for like an hour and a half already, or an hour and like 40 minutes. Probably leave here probably like 3 or something, I don't know. See how I'm feeling. But yeah, Leeks.
I'm hungry now.
You want a little sandwich, right?
Sandwiches too in a little while.
You feel me? Yeah, guys. See our view? You feel me? Nice view and shit. I told y'all about August. At first I said July, but you know it takes time. By next year's summer, she's gonna be Baller's Life. By August, she's gonna be spot up shooter Leeks. Like, I'm gonna be able to be like, yo, come on the court with me. We're gonna run a game, you feel me? And just pass her the ball. That's August, you feel me? Next year though, you're gonna see her on Baller's Life. Just give it time.
Watch. Oh yeah, look at that.
Me and Leeks just finished playing. Well, we didn't just finish playing ball. Finished playing ball probably like 30 to 40 minutes ago. Me and her had got sandwiches. See how I just pulled that shit out the back like a GTA character. You didn't know if I was gonna pull out a grip or freaking knife, bar or whatever, but other half of this, I'm about to bust this shit down. You already know, man.
Cooking today pesto meatballs.
Oh yeah, at least want to make some pesto meatballs on a sandwich. Tell them how you gonna do that, cause you feel me?
It's like I'm gonna make them small this time, cause last time we made them too big. So little small meatballs with some pesto and some sauce, some vodka sauce. I'll tell you one of vodka sauce. And we're gonna put it in a sandwich with cheese and Parmesan cheese. And
nah, she sound like she about to go crazy. So you gonna get some clips of that, basically. Ah, stay tuned, stay tuned. Look at Pooch, he's excited to see us. Y'all see our recycles, don't worry about that, my fault. Yes, Pooch. Yes. Yeah.
okay, I'm back. And I'm making my pesto meatballs, but I was like, you know something? I have the vodka sauce in a jar, but why use a jar when I could make my own sauce? You got all these extra tomatoes, and so I cut up some onions, I cut up some garlic. I went, oh, gonna have to redo that whole clip. So, I'm doing these pesto meatballs. I have the bread. I have some cheese, you know, the pesto. I really love pesto. It's different. But I was thinking to just make my own pasta sauce since we have so many tomatoes left. And it's only for the meatballs, so I'm not going to make too much sauce. And so I was just looking up a recipe, and they said to basically pour some boiling water over the tomatoes, and I guess let them sweat off so that I can peel off the skin. I don't know. Let's see how this works. I gotta submerge them all underwater, so gotta leave them there for 5 minutes, and then y'all gonna see. We gonna make the own pasta sauce today. See how you be extra in the background, right? I was here sweating out so that I could peel off the skin. Oof, they're feeling a little hot, so I'm gonna try to peel off the skin in a minute or two, and I'm gonna start my sauce. I have the ground beef in here. I'm gonna make my meatballs, fry them up in the cast iron. Alright, so let me let y'all know from now. This didn't work out. I poured the water on it and it did not work out. The skin didn't come off. I guess the water wasn't hot enough. Maybe I didn't leave it long enough. Maybe they just weren't submerged in the water. But I really don't care. I tried this last time and I had put it in the blender, so I cored them because that hard part, not it. And then I'm going to cut them into really small pieces. So right now I got the oil going, a little bit of olive oil in there. I'm just going to, you know, get my vegetables in the pan. I'm gonna put some red chili flakes in there, a little bit of oregano to bloom the spices and make sure everything, you know. I kind of wanted to add the garlic in a little bit after the onion, so I don't know why I'm out here mixing. Y'all got me fucked up doing shit wrong. Alright, so these are just the onions, you know, regular. Put some olive oil. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt just to let them cook down. They're starting to turn a little bit clear. They're a little bit opaque, so I added some thyme, some dried thyme. I added some dry oregano, and now I'm about to add my garlic. I added it in last because garlic tends to burn. I put them in these bigger pieces than usual, just because, you know, less likely for it to burn the bigger it is. If I have these little tiny pieces, obviously they'll burn quicker. So I'm just gonna let them, you know, everything small so that the pasta sauce could go quicker, because I'm not gonna be here all day. I made little pieces and I'm about to add it to this. I turned it off just so.
You vlogging?
Dang.
You vlogging? I'm in her vlog, y'all. I'm in all her clips. If y'all think I'm not here, I'm here.
Tomatoes to the pan with the, look at how good it looks like. I don't like tomatoes and I want to eat this raw. I said raw. So I have it simmering. It's looking more like a sauce now. I'm still gonna let some of the tomatoes cook down, and then I took the blender out. So we're gonna blend it, make it a smooth sauce, because I don't want none of these chunks, not today. Meatballs. We don't want that many, and I don't like them too big, and Jason doesn't either. I really didn't like the feeling of those breadcrumbs in there. I didn't like touching that. Not one bit, but I don't know. I hope it turns out good. Let's see. We're going to sear them first, and then I'm going to pour the sauce all over them and stuff. So I grated some garlic, and I put some butter, parsley, some salt in here, and I mixed it up for the bread. Because I'm not just going to serve no plain bread. So I cut them up. Me and Jason not that hungry right now, so we're just going to have a half each. And I didn't cut them all the way through, so they could be like little, you know, sandwiches, but not sloppy. So I spread it in there. I put some Parmesan cheese. I'm about to put them in the oven. I put the sauce. I didn't know how long to go with it, so I'm going to put it in here, blend it up, and then put it back on the stove, you know, to simmer down again. So I blended up the sauce, and it's starting to look really, really good. I'm trying to sear them. Alright, I'm just gonna Put all of them in. They're so pretty and so tiny. The last time we made them big and they were just too much. Like I'm not really a beef type of person. I don't know. It just don't sit right with me. So I have to do little meatballs if I'm gonna do meatballs at all. This is the bread. I toasted it up because I wanted it to be hard before I put the meatballs and sauce in because I'm not here for no soggy bread. Meatballs are swimming in the sauce. Meatballs are swimming in the sauce. I'm gonna let them cook down. The sauce is way more orange than I thought it would be. I don't know if you guys can see a true color. I probably need to look worse. I don't know. But I don't know. It's kind of like an orangey sauce. Like a vodka sauce type of color.
So I came in to see what Leeks doing, and it's looking like it's a finished product.
Yes, I'm gonna add the meatballs, but it's not finished yet.
Oh, it's not finished yet? Oh, she said they gotta go back in the oven.
Right. So we're doing 3 meatballs each because it fits perfect. And more sauce.
Mm-hmm. Let me get some of that.
I'm gonna add
let me get some of that P.O. Oh, look at this steam. You're coming off. Yo, let me turn the light on right here. My fault. Yo, keep that right there, yo. Oh, let me. My fault. Hold on. Alright, y'all, but y'all see how those coming along. Put those back in the oven. When they done, right before I eat them, Leeks might show you hers because me, I'm a. You feel me? I ain't gonna do that, but stay tuned. Squishing it, you feel me? But that's what we working with right now, you feel me? I'm out here squishing the sandwich just to get y'all, a little
It
look.
looks good though. It smells really good.
Guys, you feel me? It is what? 8:22? Oh, 8:32. It's the next morning, you feel me? Last night, after we made those pesto meatballs, just was super fire, by the way. You know what's crazy? I think we ate that. We watched a movie. After we watched a movie, actually, we stayed up until about like 1 o'clock last night. We was just watching movies and watching some scary shows. Some scary stories from this channel on YouTube, you feel me? I'm gonna put y'all on one day, you feel me? I think I'm gonna wrap up the... My dog wanna go for her walk. I know the vibes, you feel me? She wanna play too. You very playful right now. Hi, Pooch. What you wanna do? You wanna play? You wanna play with your toy? Look at her going crazy. So early, Pooch. Oh my god. I'm just gonna wrap this vlog up right here. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know it wasn't really too eventful. I was just trying to, you know, get back into it because I missed a couple days. I didn't want to just come back and do a reaction. I wanted to tell you guys while I was gone. I think I touched on bases while I left. I was gone from YouTube for a little bit. Just a little break because I was going through a bunch of stuff in the beginning of the month, you feel me? And I had to just get stuff sorted, that's all. So the fact that I got stuff sorted now, excuse me, but the fact that I got stuff sorted now, you feel me? Hopefully I'm able to be consistent on the 2. I'm gonna just try and do my best. You feel me? That's all we can do. Just try and do our best. So I'm here right now. I'm gonna try to load up some reactions. Y'all comment down below if y'all watching this vlog and want to see some reaction. Y'all can comment what y'all want me to react to. Most importantly though, if you're new, which you're probably not, subscribe and shit, man. But all jokes aside, on the reaction tip, the reason what the reaction slowed down, I did a couple reactions and some of them got blocked when I wanted to post them, and I got tired of just editing a bunch of videos and they're still getting blocked. It's like now almost all songs are getting blocked. Could be just me though. Maybe I could find a loophole through it. So, you know, I'm gonna try again. I ain't gonna say I'm gonna stop trying. I'm just saying why you haven't seen so much reactions on the channel. You feel me? But go watch all the other reactions that's on the channel. I got a whole bunch of videos on here, man. So hey, if you wanted this, if I'm gone for too long and you like, damn, where'd Jay at? Go watch some old videos. And if you watch all the old videos, hey man, I'm coming on. I'll soon come. You feel me? Hey, yes. That's really it. It's early as shit. I'm about to go get myself together. Make some breakfast. Drink some tea. Take Moch for a walk. You feel me? And get my day started. Hopefully everybody else have a blessed day. And it's your boy Jay. And I'm out of here.